Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can log out of your Comet AI web browser on PC or laptop. So let us dive into this. So guys, head over to the Comet AI browser, and there's only one way how you can sign out here of Comet AI, and that is if you're logged in with your Perplexity AI account. Because if you're not logged in, you can use the Comet AI browser without logging into any account. So let me do that really quickly and log into my Perplexity account really quickly. And after that, click into your profile icon here to the left. And as you can see, there's no sign out button, which I personally don't like, but there's a way how you can still sign out of your Perplexity account. To do that, head over to account here at the top. And there, guys, you will see under system here, you will see that feature you're assigned in, and then you see your username. And here to the right, simply select sign out to log out of your Perplexity account and to use Comet AI browser without being logged in with your Perplexity account. However, if you do this, guys, you won't see any of your past chats and conversations here to the left, because without your Perplexity user account, these threads or chats and conversations and searches are not saved. So you will need to be logged in with your account so that these may be saved here. As you can see under spaces and home, you would see all of these chats and conversations in my library, guys. So that's the main difference. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.